Hey friend, hey, welcome back to my channel. We are going to start with clicking online store, and then we're going to click customize, and from there we are going to start designing. So I did make the logo in Canva, so I'm going to go ahead and upload the logo as transparent from my laptop, and I'm going to go ahead and blow up the logo, make it bigger, and click save. And once the logo is uploaded, I will click done. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the banner picture photo, and I will adapt to image just so it could fit properly. And I like to bounce back from mobile and just to view it because most people are shopping on their phones. And I'm going to change the heading. And this website is for sale. It is a pre-built website theme. You can either, it's not drop shipping, it's just like a website. If this is your niche, you know, you got this inventory on hand, then yeah, definitely check out the website. You can upload the theme yourself, or I can upload it for you. The link will be in the description for more information. And now we're going to add the product photos. So this is how you add that. I randomly gave it a name. I'm going to add a price to it and click save. And pretty much this is the same process you would do adding more photos as well. And now we're going to add the collections for the oils. You'll just click collections and go ahead and name the collection and add certain items like this. So I went back and added all the products, the oils that I added to the product section. I just went ahead and added it to a collection, just all in one setting, just to, you know, add that. And then we're going to go ahead and add a collection list. You usually just click add section, and then I will go ahead and upload the collection I just added. And I like to do swipes for collections, as you can see, and I will remove the heading as well. But first I'm going to go ahead and start adding the collections. And then I'm going to click add section, and I'm going to go ahead and do a feature product, and I'm going to add just one separate product just to make the website flow, give it some, you know, some razzle dazzle. And I'm going to go ahead and add the photo for my desktop, and I'm going to go ahead and give it a name as well and a price for the one product section on the Shopify store. After that, I'm going to head back over to the other tab that I was on in the Shopify editor, and I'm going to add that one product, and then I'm going to make the heading small, and I'm going to click save. And after I add the title, I'm going to go ahead and add the price, and I'm just making up these prices. Like, obviously, it's a real store. You know, anybody that has like a skincare business, body oil, whatever type of cosmetics business, especially this type of niche, this store is definitely for you. Like, I made this store up and it's really beautiful. Like, I love the She Glow or Glow Girl oils. I made this whole store up, and aesthetic is very much giving that girl, that glow girl. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, link in the description if you want to view the store. I'm going to go ahead and finish editing the store. I am trying new ways to design stores, make them a little bit better. That's what I've been working on the back end. And yeah, I went ahead and added 2 images on the for the banners, like 2 separate sides together. And I usually like to hide the text, and you want to turn off all these buttons right here, stack images, container, and that as well, just so you can really see the photos. And I'm going to make the photos move as well. I'm going to set them to like a ambient, which helps the photos like zoom in and out. It's like a cool little trick to make your website pop out. And I'm going to do a collapsible content, which is like frequently asked questions. You can put anything right here, but this is what I chose to add right there. And obviously I'm just making up these questions based off of if this was an actual oil business or a skincare business, you know. But like I said, if you have a skincare business, this is a perfect template for you. Nobody has this theme like at all. Like, I just made this. This is fresh, friend. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and edit that right there. And you can even add your own icons. As you can see, I'm going to add the heading, which is another question. When you click icon, you can literally click like a little not like emoji, like an icon. That's what it's called, an icon. So yeah, I think this is pretty cool. I do love this website. I'm going to click save after that and show you guys how it's looking. So like I said, you can purchase this website and upload the theme yourself. It'll come downloaded in a zip file. It's very easy to do, and it'll come with like a tutorial showing you how to upload this Shopify theme to your own Shopify. So now I'm going to go back and do the menu. Usually all products is view all, and add the collections to the main menu. Now going back to online store, I'm going to close some tabs here. I have a lot of tabs open. I'm going to go back and click customize, and then I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the menu right there. As you can see, the main menu is at the top. And then I'm going to show you guys how it looks on mobile view as well. If someone was to shop on their phone and when they click the menu, that is how that is looking. You can even create subcategories as well, but I just kept it, real neutral and basic. So this is the website, how it looks. It looks pretty good. We're going to go ahead and exit out and do the, we're going to click the Shopify policies. So this will also be included as well. We use the Shopify templates. It's pretty easy, but just to, do the footer part of the website. And this is also important to add your contact information. So when you get the theme from me, or whenever you're making your own Shopify website, be sure to add your contact information and download that app right there. It's free, Shopify Inbox app. I actually have that on my website. This will increase your sales. Like, you need this Shopify chat inbox. And when I see people making websites, Shopify websites on YouTube, I don't see them add this, by the way. So I may be the first. I don't know. Y'all know I've been trying to get my brownie points. Add the Shopify chat inbox so people can ask you questions about your business anytime, anywhere, instantly. So now we are pretty much done here. Like, ooh, look at this. She cute. She cute. So the chat box is added, as you can see, the bottom right. This website is so beautiful. Like, it's giving for real. It's like giving summertime. So I'll show you guys what it looks like. If you are interested, do check out the link in the description. I do have more pre-built websites coming, more themes, Shopify themes. So let me know what type of website y'all need, y'all looking for, you would like me to make. Leave your comments, questions, concerns. Like I said, this is for more of like an inventory-based business. If you have your own inventory on hand. And yeah, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.